Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove light glare in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you an easy hack. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to edit. Now, to remove the light glare, simply click on Tools at the bottom menu and select the healing option. Now zoom over to the glare and brush over it to remove the glare. And once you're happy with your photo, simply click here to save changes. And just like that, we have removed the light glare in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.